drink right now.
There you go, Ernest.
Let me try. I want Oreo.
Okay, Oreo.
Mommy.
Yes.
I need a drink, but
welcome back to our channel. What channel, guys?
Brownie Family.
Now, what we are going to do?
Unboxing brownie.
Unboxing
I want
a giveaway from Sweet Love Dessert Box. Okay, Dominic.
Very sugar.
Okay,
Cut it in
let's
half.
unboxing
I
it.
want cheese, Jenna.
Okay.
I want cheese one. I can like this. No, don't do it.
Okay.
I want cheesy
this one?
one. I'm gonna cut it. I want cheesy one. I just want to cut it. I want cheesy. That's mine. Me cheesy.
Okay, this is wait. Wait, okay.
Sweet love, baby.
Sweet Love Dessert
box.
Box. Okay, baby.
Yeah. Here's your spoon, baby.
Okay, wait. One second.
Let's do it. I'm trying to cut it.
So now we have what is it?
Dairy milk.
Dairy milk flavor, Milo, and then Hokkaido cheese, milky cheese. Hokkaido milky
Smells
cheese.
good.
There you go, Kristen.
What
What you have, Dominic?
Cheese. I have cheese.
Okay.
Let's
Wait, okay.
I want to drink first.
This one is have a Oreo in the middle.
Okay.
But we already ate this, and
Okay.
we know the Oreo is
It's fake.
actually cake.
Cake, it's a cake. Oreo cake.
Yeah, it looks so good.
Okay, see.
But if you destroy it, it's not a Oreo.
See it?
Okay, don't touch me.
Look, touch.
Okay. Can you open yours,
Wait, is
Dominic?
it actual?
This is a dairy milk
Baby light.
flavor. See?
What?
It's very
Baby light. This is a real
nice.
Oreo.
So this is for chocolate
Baby
lover
light.
actually.
Do you?
A chocolate lover must be like this,
I like
right?
that one. I like that one.
Oh, you like
Let's
this one? You want to
try it.
change with mine? Okay,
It's
Dominic.
actually hard.
Let's see yours. What is it?
I
Oh,
want
this is so
cheesy.
cheesy.
Me too. I want to
Yeah,
eat.
this is Hokkaido.
Yeah, baby.
wanna drink.
Cheesy milk or
Give me makan. I want to
Yeah.
drink first.
drink. Guys, before we eat, we should thank to Auntie Pamela for giveaway
Auntie
Sweet
Pamela.
Love Dessert Box. Thank you. So now let's try it. Let's try yours, Dominic. Okay.
Mine looks like there's like the cake design is very good. Every time look at it, it almost looks like dirt and rocks, but it's actually not. It's chocolate.
It's chocolate. It's
It
very
looks like
nice.
dirt and chocolate.
Yeah.
And chocolate.
Mommy's
I'm gonna eat it
Oreo.
first.
Oh, Milo. Oreo Milo, Mommy.
Mine is
cheesy.
And Ernest?
Cheesy.
Cheesy. Okay. Can you show to the camera, Ernest? Let's show to the camera, guys. Yay.
I want cheesy.
Ooh la la.
La la.
Let's try, guys. Let's try.
Me first.
I'm
Okay,
thinking in the middle.
It's like
Okay.
carrot.
Okay.
I mean, it's like carrot.
This looks yummy, Don.
It's like
How is
carrot. It's so salty too.
Oh.
It's like carrot. Good though. I mean, there's like
My brain
carrot.
has just submerged each other.
Mommy
Tell
was
me,
trying.
This is so yummy if you eat in the middle.
Mommy,
Ini sedap sekali komang guys. Jadi kalau Moni mau pesan, boleh langsung Grab Food. Ini dapat penghargaan juga dari Grab. Sweet
It is
Love
food.
Dessert Box. Ini
Yeah,
enak. Recommended banget. Is it yummy?
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
yummy.
08. I feel like I want to eat 100 these.
Okay.
The
At least
number,
wish number. Yeah.
number to call this is 0.
Oh yeah, this is
Two,
got number
1,
here.
9, 6, 3, 4, 4.
And you
5.
also can follow the Instagram.
Yeah.
Get more.
Oh yeah, what's the Instagram, Kristen? Can you read it?
Sweetlovedessertbox.
Yes, at Sweetlovedessertbox. That's the Instagram.
Oh
And it's also available on GrabFood. So you can order it
And
now,
GoFood.
guys, and GoFood as well. Okay, cepat Jo, order Jo sekarang.
Yeah.
Sikat,
Sikat gigi.
sikat gigi. Oke, sekali lagi thank you untuk Auntie Pamela.
I want to drink right now.
There you go, Ernest.
Let me try. I want a right.
Okay, Oreo.
Mommy,
Yes.
I need a drink, but it's alone.
Thank you, Auntie
Auntie
Pam. Bye.
Bye guys.
See you
Don't forget.
again.
See you again. Don't forget.
Subscribe and like the channel.
and comment down below.
Yes. And you can order in this number.
I'm literally
Okay.
enjoying.
5. Okay, thank you guys. See you again. Stay safe, stay healthy, and don't forget to use your mask. Bye bye.